All right, let's hope that it's recording. We won't know till later. All right, so we're on 3.6. We are converting measures within the same system. Okay, example 1. So this is all you're going to be getting. All right, converting 36 quarts to gallons. This is all this pieces right here. These are just notes. Okay, and then this is all you're going to be your work. All right, so you're only going to be getting this piece on a normal question. Does everyone understand that? Yes or no? Okay. All right, so this is the part that is new for you. They're saying convert 36 quarts to gallons. Usually, they give you another rate so that you can find what's missing. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. We have to find that, and we're going to find the unit rate by going on. Well, I'm going to write unit rate. All right. By everyone going on to a web browser. So go on to a new tab and go on to the web browser. And now look, it's saying quarts to gallons. So we need to find the unit rate for that. So we're going to type in quarts to gallons. And it should tell you how much. So what is it? All right. Or as a fraction, what would it be? Right, 1/4. Okay. So everyone write 1 quart equals 1/4 gallon. Now, you're able to do it the other way as well. And we're going to do it both ways because I want you to see that whichever way you choose, you can still get the same answer. So I want you to go into your web browser. And now this time, what do you think you're going to type in? Beautiful. So type in gallon to quarts. And what is it? 1. It's what? 1 gallon to 4 quarts, correct? Okay. Which one would you rather use?
4.
Yeah, the second one, right? So do you understand that you can use both? All right, and we are going to do both of them, but you can see which one you should probably want to do. Okay? Can you do the first one? Can you do this one? Absolutely. Okay. So we're going to do method 1, which is we're going to do 1 gallon to 4 quarts.
Do we write the ratio table?
We're going to do that now. So now look, what do we always say about the number 1? Where should it be in the ratio table?
On the bottom.
Bottom. So it says 1 gallon, so what should be at the bottom?
1 gallon.
Gallon. Very good. So let's put in gallons, create the ratio table. Remember, they're being nice. They're giving you the ratio table right now. Don't worry about the recording stuff.
Oh wait, are we gonna like have questions like filling things?
What do you mean?
Like the ratio?
What about the ratio? Well, we have to finish.
Yeah, I have like some more like.
Oh, you mean, no, look, they're going to be empty right now. Watch, I'm going to show you. So watch, ready? So, does everyone see where we got the 4 and the 1 from?
Yeah.
Okay, it's your unit rate. This is your unit rate. Okay, this is your unit rate. 1 gallon to 4 quarts. Now, you got to go back to the actual statement that they gave you. It's the rate, but something's missing. So where does the 36 go?
The top.
With the quart. So where does it go here? Top or bottom?
Top.
All right, so let's write 36 at top. And now we have a missing piece, right? So what am I going to do from 4 to 36? Multiply by 9. So what am I going to do from 1 to whatever it is? 1 times 9. It's not letting me. Let's see if I can scroll it up. I'm recording right now. Come back later. All right, so 1 times 9 is? 9. Very good. Okay, so now, what's your actual answer? What's your unit rate?
4.
Or no, sorry, not what you're reading. More. What it says? Convert 36 quarts to gallons.
36 over 9. 36 quarts are 9 gallons.
Yes, very good.
Yes, what did you say?
So 36 quarts.
9 gallons.
Right. right? You're looking for that missing piece.
And then that's the answer?
And that's your answer. Equals 9 gallons.
So the evidence were helpful.
See?
Why did you give us
Of
questions?
course they're helpful.
On the
There's
other
a
hand,
method to my madness. Measurements, right? Okay, so is everyone okay with this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch what we do now. Now we're gonna go to example 1 still, but we're gonna do method 2. What did they do?
They use the graph.
What unit rate are they using?
Gallons to quarts. Yeah.
Right, they're using gallons to quart. So they're gonna do 1 quart equals 1/4 gallon. I know a lot of you already said you don't want to use this one. I want you to see if that you can still get the same answer.
Is this like the problem B or something?
It's like part 2 of the There's no really problem to be. It's
Are
method 1 and method 2.
we gonna have to do like both methods on the
Nope,
homework?
nope, this is your choice.
We get to choose.
You get to choose.
Oh.
Okay? Alright, so now,
I don't trust
look what happened. The 1 is still at the bottom, but the 1 is now what?
Oh my god. 1/4.
No, what is your 1?
On the bottom.
Look, what is it?
On the bottom.
Quarts. Where was quarts
On
before?
the top. On the top.
Quarts was on the top, now it's on the bottom. Okay. Now, technically, can 1 be at the top?
Yeah.
Yes,
Kind of.
as long as you put all the labeling correct. But because we're working with unit rates, they always say unit rate is over 1. So you always want to kind of make up. Okay, you want it as your denominator.
How do we get 1/4?
Because that's what you found. Didn't you go on the web browser?
1/4.
Didn't we find it before? Remember you were on the web browser and you found out 1 quart equals 1/4 gallon? That's where you're getting that information. Okay, you have to look that up. Okay? All right, now, does everyone understand why 1/4 is with gallons and 1 quart is together?
Yeah.
Okay, go back up here. We need to put that 36 somewhere. Where are we going to put it?
Bottom.
Okay, oh, I heard 2 different answers.
Bottom.
Why bottom?
Because it was on the top of 4 with quarts, and now that's moved. It's still gonna stay with the same thing.
Beautiful. All right, so 36 quarts. You still got to follow quarts, so this is 36. Excellent. All right, so now what are we going to do from here to here? Times 36. I'm gonna hide this so I can do it. And then what are you going to do from here to here?
Times 36.
Times 36. Excellent. Okay, so we know how to do that. We know how to do fractions and multiplication. So 1/4 times what?
36 over 4.
Good. All right, so now can I cross cancel?
Yeah.
All right, what numbers?
36 and 4.
36 and 4. What number goes to both of them?
1 more.
What number goes to both?
4.
4. So 4 divided by 4 is? And 36 divided by 4. And isn't that what we got before?
Yeah.
All right, so that's all I wanted to show you is that doesn't matter which way you go of the unit rate, you will still get the same answer.
I might take a look at that graph.
All right, so I'm going to show you how to use the graph. It's actually, you don't have to draw it. Same answer as method.
How do we do
one.
a fraction as 1/4 in the graph?
What are you talking about? You're not. I'm going to show you that.
On the test, are we not to do both methods?
You choose.
Yes.
You're not going to graph.
How we
It's not
gonna
right.
know
This-
what the measurements are?
You have to know them. You need to know your M&Ms. You need to know your measurements. If it's on the M&M page, right? If it's on your measurements page, you need to know them for the test. If it's not on there, I will be giving you those measurements.
Wait, when is our test
Okay.
again? No.
Let's focus on the lesson.
February 5th.
Thank you. Okay, let's go back to the lesson, please. All right, so another method. This is all they're trying to show you. So let's go back to the beginning, and we're going to use the 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Okay, so if I have quarts at top, right, and gallons at the bottom, and I have 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Remember, you're graphing, right? So what else could I be graphing? If I have 4 and then 1, what else could I have? No, we don't know that yet. What else can we have? Any other numbers? Go in order if you want.
2 and 1.5.
I heard it, Charlotte. Oop, didn't you say your name? Sorry. No?
2.5.
Yeah, 82. All right, remember, you're just gonna keep on going because you eat 2. What's the next one you can do?
12
and
and
3.
3.
Yeah, 12 and 3. Okay. So now I'm going to plot it
Where are you gonna get your
from the graph. You want, remember, you create your own numbers,
Oh,
right?
Rewrite this time.
So this is up to you if you want for this method. So quarts is 4, gallons is 1, right? Then 8 and 2, correct? All right. If I graph this, I'm gonna do my best to do a straight line here. Let's see if I can do it. All right.
But why'd you go so much?
Because I want to go to 36, right? So if I go to 36 and I go all the way up, what should I land on? 9. Do I?
no.
Yes.
What do you mean no?
Oh, wait, am I?
Right there.
Never
So that's
mind.
another way to use it, okay? All right, everyone good? All right, let's go to example 2. This is not what you should do. And I should be talking to on the break. Thank you. Because now you're missing everything you just did. All right. Now we're converting measures between systems. So we're in example 2. Now this is when it gets a little tricky because you have decimals, okay? You're gonna get really long decimals and they're gonna ask you to round to the nearest hundredths. And after seeing how you did with your rounding yesterday, we need to practice that. So, first things first, this is all they give you. Convert meters to feet. So what are you gonna put in your web browser?
Meters and feet.
All right, so everyone do that. It's a really long decimal, right? All right, what you got?
3 and 2.
I need one person because I hear a lot of people.
3 and 2.
3.2.
No, keep going. Give me the whole thing.
3 and 2, 80.
3.280884.
084. Thank you. Okay. Now, if you're rounding to the nearest hundredth place, I need to make sure you know where the hundredth place is. So, which one is in the hundredth place? Which 8? The first one. All right. This one right here. This is your hundredth place. Now, do you also need to know where the thousandth place is?
Yes.
Yes. Where is the thousandth place? The 0. Why do you need to know about this number? Well, what? No, that's not the millions. 0?
No.
That's 1,000.
Oh,
Why do we need to know about this? Why does this number help us? Okay, now be careful when you say round down. We don't round down, it just stays the same. Okay? So, this number, if it's 0 to 4, the number stays the same, meaning the place in the hundredths stays the same. If it's 5 through 9, what happens? It goes up, right? So, look at this number. What does the 0 tell me that we're going to do with the 8? It stays. So what am I going to write over here? 3.28. So everyone write that. Right? Now, did you notice what I wrote in between this? What is that? No, it's not an equal sign.
It's like almost.
It's an about symbol. So an about symbol is exactly what it means. Because we rounded, it's about.
Do we have to do an about symbol?
Yes, because you rounded.
Will you think what's up?
Yes, because you rounded. All right, so an equal sign that's squiggly is an about sign. Okay? All right, now go into your web browser and now go the other direction. All right, so you want feet to meters.
Roll.
Wait.
Go.
What do you get?
What? Because
Okay, all right, so now, where's the hundreds place?
With the 0.
With the 0. Where's the thousands place?
With the 4.
With the 4. Okay, what does the 4 tell me? What stays?
The 0.
Okay, so what am I writing?
3.3.
Yes, okay, so you can have the 0, or you can leave the 0 out. Okay, look, they left the 0 out. Do you see it? All right, so they just put it down here already for you, but I wanted to do it with you so that you could see where we got that information. Okay, always show the about symbol because you found it. Okay, go ahead.
So, like, I don't really get how they're rounding.
I'll have to give you some practice worksheets to do it. Okay, all right, that's a lesson that should have been done like in 3rd grade, 4th grade. Okay, all right, here we go. So we're doing method 1. You're creating a ratio table using this unit rate. So we're going to use 1 meter, which is about 3 2/2800 feet. So take a look. Why is meters at the bottom? Why is meters at the bottom?
The speed is bigger.
It's the unit rate and 1 is your meters. Everyone see that? Okay, so draw your ratio table. Right, you're drawing out the ratio table. Yeah, meters.
Oh, this is hard.
That's why you have to. All right, now you're going back to this piece right here. So where does your 10 go?
At the bottom.
Where? Meters?
Meters.
Okay. Which is very nice. Okay. What are we doing from here to here?
Times 10.
Yeah, you don't even need your calculator.
32 points.
Yes. How do you know that so quickly?
Decimal point.
Right, excellent. The decimal point 1 place because of the power of 10. Very good. So then what's your answer?
32.8 over 10.
What? Feet is what? About. Yes.
Is it okay if we did 32.8?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, just mine.
Okay, now, I'm not doing method 2. Method 2 is there for you. It's the other way. Do you see which one you would rather do? Which one? The first one, okay? But if you feel you would like to do method 2, I'm not stopping you, okay? All right, is everybody good? Okay, let's go to example 3.
Why are there so many? Why are some examples if they're all the same methods?
No, they're a little different. They're the same, but remember, you're doing between the same system. That was example 1. Example 2 was between 2 different systems, which were decimals. And now we're going to be using conversion factors.
I'm out of paper.
Okay, so what do you do?
Get a new one.
Oh, you're so smart. Okay. All right, so do you see that they gave you the conversion factor that they want you to use? Yes or no? Okay. Do you notice what they don't give you?
What?
Ratio tables. So make your ratio table.
Which one's on top?
I don't know. You tell me.
Kilometers? No.
What is kg?
Kilograms.
Kilograms. All right. So what goes on the bottom? Why?
This is one.
Because of the 1. Remember, you're using this to help you first. This is what you have. This is what you know. All right. So it's pounds. No, sorry, kilograms, and then over pounds.
This is the last example.
Yeah, but there's 2 of them. All right. So what's your kilograms?
0.44.
Okay. What's your pounds?
1.
Good. All right, go back here. So where does the 4 go? Right, bottom 5. It's your pounds. Very good. So what am I going to do from here to here?
Times 4.
Times 4. So what am I doing here to here?
Times 4.
And now you can use your calculator when you get.
1.8.
All right, so then what's your answer?
1.8.
Nope.
1 pound is 1.8 kilograms.
Okay, not equals.
Oh, about 4 pounds.
Beautiful, it's about 4 pounds. Okay, remember, LB means pounds.
I thought it was LBS.
Nope, LB, pounds. Okay, everybody good?
Yeah.
Okay, here is your last one. I know, oh my goodness.
Oh
All right. Now, they don't give you the conversion factor, but you kind of should know it.
60.
What do you mean 60?
60 seconds.
Equals what?
5 yards.
1 minute. So 1 minute equals 60 seconds, correct? Where'd you get that? Well, look, it says convert 5 yards per second to yards per minute. So yards is still the same, but you need to go from seconds to minutes, okay? So, draw your ratio table. What's wrong, bud? You sure? What part are you confused about? Because that's what you're converting. Watch. I'll show you. Okay, so there's a lot, there's like almost like 3 things in here, but what is the one that you see both times?
Yards per minute.
Yards. That's yards you see both times, right? So yards is gonna go at the top.
No, but would it be yards per second and then yards per minute?
So what are you gonna put here?
Yards per minute. Second.
No, this is seconds. Watch. Watch. Ready? What's your yards?
5.
And I heard you say seconds is 1, right? Because yards per second, because what does per mean? 1, very good. Okay, for every. All right, so now I want per minute.
60.
So 60.
Times 300.
So I heard you, you're doing great. So times 60, which what are you gonna do up here?
Times 60.
Times 60, which you get?
300.
Excellent. So go ahead, say it again.
300 yards.
Beautiful, and I love that you said 1 minute, not 60 seconds. So 300 yards, and you can say per minute. Okay, and that's your answer.
We do our tries.
You will in a minute. All right, now be very careful because they're going to go and they're going to build onto this and make it a little bit more challenging. Meaning, they have yards to yards here. Do you see that?
Yeah.
And then they have seconds to minutes. So you're only converting one of them. You're going to get a question where it's still going to say second and minutes, but then it might say yards to
Minutes. Seconds.
no,
Hours.
like no.
Yards
to feet. Okay, it's going to convert. So you're going to have to do 2 different ratio tables. Okay. All right. So this is what we're doing. I want to help you out. So let's go to try it number 1. You guys are going to make a key. And we're going to do every unit rate for every try and self-assessment so that you have all the information. Okay? So you're going to need your web browser. Someone help me out. You shouldn't need your web browser for this one because this is an M&M.
So easy. 16.
No, I'm not asking you to solve it. I'm asking you for the unit rate.
Unit rate is 1.
So what are we going to do?
Make
Say
a
yes?
ratio table.
Yes. All right. So we're going to write 3 feet. So on your paper, just write like try it 1, and you're just going to keep on writing all the tries and all the conversions. You're not solving them. It's almost like making a key. All right. So we're going to write 3 feet equals 1 yard. All right. Which you should have known already. All right, the next one you're gonna have to go onto the web browser. So I'm gonna try it too. All right, what do we need to look up?
Miles to
You got it. Miles to kilometers. Actually, it's not miles. It's, oh no, it's miles. Yes, I didn't write the MI. Remember, MI is miles, M is meters. Good. All right, and we're rounding, so you need an about sign. Tell me what your decimal is rounded to the nearest hundred. You got it, 1.61. And we're gonna say kilometers.
Wait, what do we do for the first one?
I'll go back to the later.
Wait, is that?
That's can. My pen could be the M.
Oh, I think.
Okay, everyone good?
No.
All right, so to try it, number 3. What do we need to look up?
Quarts to liters.
All right, so look it up.
It's 18.
It's an about sign, and make sure you round. Round to the hundredths.
1 quart equals 0.9463.
So what are you rounding it to?
946. 0.9.
Nope, hundredths. Round to the hundredths.
0.94.
No.
No, not 100.
Yes, 0.97. Don't guess, guys. Don't guess. And liters is a capital L.
So the answer would be.
Don't worry about the answers right now. Just worry about your measurement conversion. Okay. Try 4. What are we converting?
Kilometers to hours.
No, kilometers to, yes, kilometers to miles. Good. This isn't about round to the hundreds, please. Brandon, you should be trying. I'm sorry, I didn't say your name, but you should be putting it into the web browser.
Kilometers to hours.
Try now. Yeah? No, kilometers to miles. Because look, it says per hour, so that stays the same.
1 kilometer equals 0.62.
Yes. Guys, I shouldn't always hear the same people. You all should be looking these up and practicing how to find these answers.
Is it MI or just MI?
MI. If it's just M, it's meters. And that's
Is that on the video?
self-assessments. All right, so now we got self-assessment number 5. You're gonna look up inches to centimeters.
1 inch is 2.5.
Yes, very good. Don't forget the about sign.
Actually,
2 more.
in science class,
Yeah.
it said it was 2.25.
2.5 was.
No, it shouldn't. I want you to show it to me.
But now
So 1 inch.
Should be.
Wait,
All
1
right, for number 6, it's meters to feet.
3.28. I ran out of money, Dad.
So what is it rounded?
3.28.
2.8.
Hundredths.
Oh, 2.28.
Yes.
Wait for me.
I'm trying.
And what is number 2 again?
We'll go back. All right, last one, and you should not need to use your web browser.
I got this.
All right, I don't want anyone to say it but you.
Me?
Yeah, you said you got this.
I'm
So
stumped.
1, don't say it. I don't want anyone saying it. 1 yard equals how many feet?
4 feet. Oh, wait,
Three.
no.
What did I say? I said don't say anything.
12 feet.
You just said. What is it, guys?
3.8.
3 feet. Oh my goodness.